Is your mobile data on but the internet not working properly on your OnePlus phone? Well, no worries. Here's how you can fix mobile data on but no internet issues on your phone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure to turn on and off the airplane mode once. Turn off your Wi-Fi if it turned on before. Check your mobile data package. Eject and reinsert your SIM card. After that, try following troubleshooting guidelines. Solution 1. Turn on mobile data always active. First, open up the settings, then scroll down to the bottom. Here you will find the additional settings section. Then tap on it. Now scroll down to the bottom again. After that, tap on the developer options. Now scroll down and find the mobile data always active. Now just toggle it on, and here you will find one more option called the 5G option. Turn it on as well. Solution 2. Change the APN protocol. Go to settings again, then tap on mobile network. Next, tap on your SIM on which you're experiencing data issues. Here you will find the access point names option. Tap on it. Then tap on the eye icon next to your internet APN name. Now scroll down and find the APN protocol section. Next, tap on it. Now make sure to select IPv4/IPv6. If you are still facing the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Turn on your data roaming and change the preferred network type. Go to settings again, then tap on mobile network. Next, tap on your SIM on which you are experiencing data issues. Here you will find the data roaming option. Just turn it on, then tap on preferred network type. Next, select the 5G or 4G or 3G or 2G auto option. Now go ahead and restart your phone and check whether the issue is solved or not. If not, follow my last solution. Solution 4. Check software update. Go to the settings, then scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on About Device. Now tap on your OS operating system. Update your software version if any update is available. Solution 5. Reset network and Bluetooth settings. Open up the settings again, then scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on Additional Settings. Again, scroll down to the bottom. Now tap on the Backup and Reset. Next, tap on Reset Phone. Then tap on Reset Network and Bluetooth settings option. Next, tap Reset Network and Bluetooth settings again. Wait for a while and your network reset is completed. So that's it. Hope you found the solutions you were looking for. If you have other topics you'd like us to cover, drop your suggestions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. Until next time, happy browsing!